my name is Tammy Uliano. I'm at Longwood Elementary School, and I am the Makerspace science teacher here. Makerspace is a place where the students can come and create, build, problem solve, basically at their own level and with their own materials. They can build stuff in Legos, they can problem solve tinkering where they take apart a printer or a copier and get the motherboard out. And we also do a lot of different hands-on science experiments. So we can connect those standards to real life and get it a hands-on for every student to touch, not just a video or a teacher modeling. It's really putting it in the students' hands.
Makerspace, we learn about mechanical energy, conductors, insulators, and a lot of other things.
Most interesting thing about it is like everybody like coming together and engaging in like activities, but like it's also like fun, and you also get to like learn about stuff.
It helps me in science because like it helps me like visually see like what we're learning about.
We can all give each other ideas and like opinions of like how we feel about the activity, and like we can all like bring thoughts together and like collect each other's like data and stuff.
What I hope my students get from this class is a love for science, mainly. I feel as science gets pushed away, or a lot of students think it's a concept over their head, so I really try to break science down where they're able to understand it. So then when they get to middle school, they'll say, hey, wait, I sort of remember when Miss Uliano talked about circuits, and now that it's a bigger concept for them in middle school and a bigger concept as they get through school. So they're gonna connect it in the elementary area and build on it as they grow. I hope to bring more scientists, astronauts, engineers, coders into the future and do great things for Seminole County.